So how do you break down barriers that prevent people from participating in activism? How do we help people see that activism is for all of us, that politics is for all of us, that we all have to participate in democracy for it to be most reflective of our population?
Yeah, just to build on the child care stipend, offering child care at events as a default, making being the child care team a volunteer activity for folks who are already in the organization. I'm too busy with my kids. I'm too busy caring for other people in my household. That's a big reason people don't participate in politics. The other big reason is I'm too busy working. And the workplace is a great place to do politics if you're in the union movement. If you know your rights as a worker, if you have an avenue into labor organizing, that's a great way. If you're working 50, 60, even more hours a week, yeah, you probably don't have time to canvass or do electoral politics or think about that day to day or even keep up with it. But if you can become active in a union, now some of your working time, it's not just an opportunity for you to do politics in the workplace, it's also the ability to grow as an organizer, to be part of a larger organization. It's a great place for us to recruit candidates for office, right? To get that training through your union organizations over time.